Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve serialize and deserialize binary tree. In this problem we are given an tree node and we have to serialize it. After that we have to deserialize it. Like we have to write a function such that it will be reverted. It's kind of like the problem that I've previously solved, that is encode and decode in the string. And same thing we have to do in the tree node. So let's try to solve it. So here I have taken a tree and I have to serialize it such that I can deserialize it easily. So for that we are going to use the level order traversal. You can check out the level order traversal video, link in the description. So first we start with the 1. After that we start with the second level, in which we are having 2, but before this we have to use a comma to separate the nodes, and after that we push the value of that level, so that will be 2 and 3, and after that when we go to another level, so we can think of it as like 2 left will be null and the 2 right will be null. So we will push null n comma, and for the right n comma, and after that 4 and 5, so that will be 4 comma 5. You can push anything instead of n, like you can push any character like hash, dot or anything. And to separate also I have used comma, you can use anything else. And same goes for the deserialization. Like when we deserialize it, so first we check from the beginning and then we push in the queue according to the levels, and when we see n, so we push the null instead of that. So let's write the code. So I have already written the code. As I have told you before, in the serialize we use n. So here I am checking if the root is not equal to null, so I am returning n, which means null, and I am taking a queue in which I am pushing the root first, then the answer, and while queue is not empty, I am taking the front value as a node, and then I am pushing in the answer the left and the right, and similarly I am doing while queue is not empty and returning the answer. And in the deserialization we have to convert serialized string back into binary tree. So if tree is empty, I am returning null, and the val as store all node values, whereas temp builds current value. And here in the for loop I am traversing serialized string character by character. When comma comes, completed value store in vector, reset the temp by this line, else build current number string. This line of code means, if I take example of this, so the vals will be the list of characters in this form, and in this line we are creating root node from first value, and we are taking q for BFS reconstruction, and I is taken for reading remaining values, and we are processing the nodes level by level. Take current parent node by these line of code. By this I am checking if left node child exists. We create the left node and push left child into queue. By I++ move to the next value. Here we are checking if node child exists, create right node and push child into queue, and I++ to move index ahead. And at last we are returning the rebuilt binary tree. And that's it. Let's run this code, submit it. As you can see, we have successfully compiled all the program and passed all the test cases. Its time complexity will be big O of n, and space complexity is also big O of n. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.